guys, this is Harish Bali from Technofare.com. Most of us have our Facebook profile to connect to our friends and family. But do we really know who has seen our Facebook profile? Watch this video to know more. How to see who views your Facebook profile works only on Google Chrome. I am on my Facebook homepage. Keep your cursor anywhere on the gray portion and click right. Out of all these options that you see, you need to go and click on View Page Source. A new window will open like this. This is my Facebook page and this is the window. It has got thousands of complex codes, so please don't worry about the complexity of these codes. All that you need to do is do a Ctrl plus F from your keyboard and type initial INITIAL chat friends list. Oh yeah, I can spot it here. So it has got bunch of codes immediately after this. Each code is a Facebook code that represents your Facebook friend. So if I've got 500 friends in my Facebook, so there will be some 500 codes out over here. Now the codes that you see at the top are of the people who have close affinity with you. These are the people who have seen your Facebook profile the most. And the codes that you see at the bottom are of the people who have seen your Facebook profile the least. So bottom you can see all these Facebook codes. So this person surely has seen my Facebook profile the least versus the ones that we saw at the top. So what am I going to do is copy one single code without the last digit that appears. So I am not copying the 2 here. So what you need to copy is only this part of the code and copy, go back to Facebook and paste it. The moment you click enter, you will see the Facebook profile of the person who has seen your Facebook page the most. I hope you have enjoyed learning about recent visitors to your Facebook profile. I would like to hear from you through a comment why this has exactly interested you. Also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.